Wonderful opportunity to own a spacious 4-bedroom, 2-bath, 3-car garage home in the heart of Tyler. With over 2,100 square feet, this home has something to offer for everyone. The formal living/dining area y/office plus the family room with fireplace and built-ins provides a very versatile floor plan. The kitchen with newer appliances and granite countertops has a pantry and easy access to the dining area. The primary bedroom with ensuite bath and large walk-in closet is a nice retreat with 3 additional bedrooms and a full hall bath for family or guests. Other features include a hobby/craft room, laundry room and good storage throughout. Outside, enjoy the private backyard from the large, covered back porch. The garage is even deep enough to park your boat. Sprinkler system and security system too. K4th bedroom does not have a window. Come see. Come by.